Hello everyone, my name is Sukhman Gill, Member of Parliament for Abbotsford South Langley, and it is an honor to join you in recognizing Buddhist Heritage Month. The month is a time to celebrate the rich traditions, teachings, and contributions of Buddhist communities all across Canada. Buddhism offers values that emphasize compassion and commitment to inner peace. We as Canadians have always been compassionate, and in time where the world feels like it's moving a bit too fast and out of control, the teachings of this month remind us to slow down, take a deep breath, to reflect on the values and be grateful for the blessings in our lives. Across Canada, Buddhist communities have made meaningful contributions to our society. They lead humanitarian efforts, promote well-being, and contribute to the national fabric of our country and our economy through hard work and business. This month is also a reminder of the importance of inclusion, respect, and shared belonging. Celebrating together and embracing one another's culture with open arms is what makes Canada so special from any other country in the world. As we reflect on the values emphasized in this month, may we all be inspired to carry forward the principles of peace, empathy, and service in our daily lives. Thank you for the opportunity to be a part of this important celebration. Happy Buddhist Heritage Month to everyone celebrating across Canada.